Hey, came back up here after today I went home and got packed for vacation. I'm leaving for vacation in the morning. Me and my wife are going to Fredericksburg. So I decided, because I needed to get this emblem painted, I was just going to come up here tonight and finish it. I got done packing. Got to make it look like this one so Russell can have it and he can put it on while I'm gone. So fixing to paint this thing and I'm going to record the whole thing. So y'all come along. Guys, I hope you like that video. It's going to be a long one or a short one, however we decide to cut it up and make it all work. I came up here and had a great time painting that emblem, just listening to everything that was going on around. It's quieting down quite a bit now. I don't hear any dogs barking, no trains going, no horns honking and all that stuff, but it's kind of peaceful up here at night. But anyways, guys, remember to do what makes you happy, and we'll see you on the next one.